If you are eating too much, you will gain weight. If you're working out but you're not focusing on your diet, you will never get your desired results. In both cases, carbs play an important role, but not carbs in general. Simple carbs are easily digestible. It's the complex carbs that cause problems. However, in general, eating less sugar and carbs has many health benefits. Today, we bring you some foods that you can devour while being on a no-sugar diet. So, let's start discussing the top 10 no-carb foods with no sugar. Number 10. Carb-free meat and poultry. Beef, pork, chicken, turkey, and lamb lack carbs. All of these are rich sources of proteins, but the carb count is way below what may be dubbed as effective. All of these meats gain carbs when they are eaten with bread, marinated, or when they are fried. Processed meat also contains a small number of carbs. The leanest poultry, however, is the white meat without skin. Number 9. Vegetables. The most common high-carb vegetables are potatoes, peas, corn, and squash. Apart from these, almost all vegetables almost lack carbs. Leafy greens, celery, broccoli, and cucumber are among the vegetables with the least amount of carbs. The majority of carbs coming from these vegetables also consist of fiber. The added benefit of being a true vegan is that although vegetables are low in calories, they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. Number 8. Fruits. Although fruits are healthy, people who religiously follow their diet find them controversial. Most fruits have more carb content than vegetables. Depending on how many calories you are consuming every day, you would want to restrict yourself to 1 to 2 pieces of fruit every day. Eating mangoes, however, in any way is not a good idea if you're on a low-carb diet. Number 7. Avocado. Avocado is always a go-to choice for anyone following a low-carb diet plan because they have a high amount of healthy fats and have very little amounts of carbs. Avocados are a major source of fiber and potassium and contain decent amounts of other nutrients. Avocados are the best choice if you want to maintain your daily fruit intake. Number 6. Dairy. Most diet-conscious people refrain from dairy products. However, if your diet plan tolerates dairy, then full-fat dairy products can serve you as a food with an extremely low level of carbs. Consuming dairy products provides health benefits, especially in building and maintaining strong bones. Foods in the dairy group provide nutrients that are vital for the health and maintenance of your body. These nutrients include calcium, potassium, vitamin D, and protein. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Many nuts and seeds are low in net carbs, that being total carbs minus fiber, and high in healthy fats, making them a perfect fit. They're also full of protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Almonds, pecans, macadamia nuts, and walnuts are all lower in carbs than cashews. As such, they may be a better fit for the keto diet. Nuts can also be taken as snacks due to their crunchy nature. Number 4. Fats and oils. Fats and oils, also like dairy products, are acceptable on a low-carb organic diet. Refined oils like soybean or corn oil must be avoided, as they contain carbs in excess. You need a small amount of fat in your diet for healthy functioning. Oils and fats supply calories and essential fats and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, such as A, D, E, and K. Number 3. Fish. Fish is intrinsically free of both carbs and sugar. It also has nutritional benefits that no other source of meat offers. Fish boasts omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent heart issues and lowers the triglyceride level of blood. Fish is rich in calcium and phosphorus, and a great source of minerals such as iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, and potassium. Number 2. Herbs and spices. Almost every dish is incomplete without a perfect blend of herbs and spices. Not only do they give aroma and taste to our food, but also they are very low in power and pack a healthy nutritional punch. Salt, pepper, Garlic, ginger, cinnamon, oregano, and mustard are examples of low-carb herbs and spices. Number 1. Beverages. Several beverages add carbohydrates to your diet. A 1-cup serving of orange juice provides about 30 grams of carbohydrates. The same-sized serving of skim milk contains about 12 grams. Energy drinks are also typically high in carbohydrates. Water is also a beverage, and so it is your best friend during your diet. With that, today's video comes to an end. If you find this video informative, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Catch you in the next one. Peace!